Hello, good evening, friends. Welcome back to our channel and with the third video. And today we are going to read the general knowledge GK, the wonderful or the let's discover our world. Okay, so let's start poetry. The first lesson of this chapter is poetry. Let me. Okay, so the first lesson is poetry. So let's took out your page number 5 or the 5. So let's discuss or read this chapter. Today I want to cover up 4 chapters. Let's start. Poetry has an emotional connect with an individual, be it a child or an adult. Given below are a few forms of poems. Poetry is a very good inspiration and the connect with a poet, as it will be a child poet or an adult poet. So let's start. A narrative is a story told by a narrator. Example, The Rime of the Ancient Mariner by Schumann Taylor. You just can see it has given narrative. Okay, so here it has given narrator, which you have read in English, and all the poems that narrator who narrates the poem means who is the writer of the poem. So let's see that. A narrative is a story told by a narrator. Example, The Rime of the Ancient Mariner by Schumann Taylor Coleridge. Narrator means story writer, and All Ancient Mariner by Schumann Taylor. It's a very good name. The Rime of Ancient Mariner. It is a story which was written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. So let's read the second point. An epic is a long narrative poem about the adventures. An epic is a long narrative poem about the adventures and achievement of a hero who can be mythically legendary or supernatural. Supernatural means he is a supernatural. For example, Mahabharata by Vedavyas and Odyssey by Homer. Mahabharata was written by Lord Ganesha, but it was detected by Vedavyas. So Vedavyas only is the writer, also it is told. Odyssey by Homer. Odyssey also a poem. So a limerick is a humorous poem of 5 lines. Example, The Nursery Rhymes, Little Miss Muffle and Hickory Dock. Means you have learnt in your class 1, class 2 or LKG, UKG, nursery students who reads the rhymes Hickory Dickory Dock. It is a very good story or the poem you tell. I have also read in nursery. A haiku is a Japanese poem with only 3 lines. Okay, Japanese poem. A haiku is a Japanese poem with only 3 lines. We usually know that poems are of maximum 5 to 10 lines, but a Japanese poem haiku, not haiku, it is written haiku. is a Japanese poem with only 3 lines. A haiku is a Japanese poem with only 3 lines. It will come in your exam that a haiku, what is a poem which is been written in 3 lines? So you can see I am zoomed the screen, and haiku, it will be the most important. Just wait as I see. Okay, haiku. Okay, it is the very good name, and also you have to remember. Don't be funny about that name. Sure. A free verse is one that does not follow the rules at rhyme and rhythm. Example, the Law of Song of J. Alfred. Proofread by T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot is a free verse is one that does not follow the rules of rhyme or the rhythm. Rhyme means the poem and the rhythm means the poem lines. So here is also given LG is a poem that laments the dead. Example of Memoriam a Hatchet by Alfred Lord Tennyson. It was Lord Alfred Tennyson. Alfred Lord Tennyson. Alfred was a country, not country, it is Lord Tennyson. So, an ode is a poem in praise of a person, place, or thing. Example, Ode to a Nightingale by John Callis. So, ode is a poem praise of a person, means ode is also a poem, part of a poem which is a praise of a person. In every poem we see that the praise of poem means introduction or the introduction of poem only, that poet who is written here as the prize. In every poem we can about to see the poet name and writers or everybody's name. Nightingale by John Keats. Nightingale means who sings at night. So here we are going to learn the GK, the general knowledge and the awareness, and the question answer also here it is given. Match the following poets with their poems. William Butler Yeats. He has written many poems, but in column B it has given what he has written. He has written A Prayer for My Daughter, which is written in number E in the column B. John Milton. He has written The Paradise Lost. Robert Frost. He has written The Road Not Taken. A. Milne. He has written Now We Are Six. Williams Wordsworth. He has written The Solidarity Repair. William Blake. He has written The Tiger. Christiana Rossetti. He or she has written The Remember. So you have to remember all these poet names with their poems, which is given in page number 1. As I have already done, you can see and write in your book all these names. You can see E, G, F, B, H, A, D, C, J, I. Okay, you can write it in your notebook or not in your notebook. I think you will write in the book. So you can write by copying this. So let's enter into the next chapter. Sorry to all dear friends, that I want to do the next and 3 all chapters, but I can't do because of the video is taking more time, and as it is taking 10 minutes more, so it will be not possible to do. If it will be possible, then I will upload it on next day. So till then, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day, and like, subscribe the channel. Thank you.